Hi all, welcome to the channel and welcome to another useful video. So this video is all about a home hack which I tried recently. So thought of sharing with you people. So in this video I would like to show the hack which I tried with my dining table chairs. This hack is all about refurbishing the dining table chairs. In this video, I will show you how much effort it took for me to replace these cushions. Effort in the sense in terms of material and the cost of the materials and time, how much approximately it took for replacing one chair. So material wise, I have actually purchased like a few things. Like this is the Rexin, which is around 150 per meter. I bought only 1 meter because it has length. So with 1 meter I can actually fix 6 chairs. And this sponge, this is actually half of what I bought. This is actually density 30, 1 inch sponge with density 30. This actually I bought 6 into 3 feet actually for 6 chairs. And apart from that, I bought little pins. These are the paper pins, metal paper pins. So which I can actually use it to stuff the sponge and the cushion against the chair ply. And this if you have, you don't have to buy. This is just a blade for cutting and shaping the sponge and the leather. Sponge, I think it cost me 300 rupees. For this actually I bought a 3 packet, like approximately 100 I get. Each packet is like 25 bucks, and this may cost you like 30 rupees at the most. You get plastic also 10 rupees thing. So approximately the overall cost I spent is 450 plus another 100 rupees. So 550 rupees only I spent for 6 chairs. Let's see like how we can change this. So for this, first you remove this. Like most of the chairs you can remove this cushion part. So you can just check there will be some few screws by which you can actually remove this. So this will separate the cushion out of the metal part. This is the cushion part which you need to replace the foam and the Rexin. Let's remove this old cushion. So you can see some stapler kind of. You can just use some screwdriver or any sharp item to just remove this. So like this you can remove off. Plywood. So this you can actually use it for putting the foam and making it like before. Let's cut the sponge and leather accordingly. So just for taking the measurement, you keep this wood on top of this and just mark it so that you can actually take a scissor to cut this, not necessarily you need a blade and all. So this piece is enough. Let's fix the plywood, sponge and the Rexin part. So for that, first you put the Rexin upside down, keep the sponge, plywood on top of this, and make sure you have from every side you can actually stretch and put the cushion against the plywood. So now let's pin this Rexin against this plywood. If you want, you can use hammer if you are not able to press it against the plywood. Start first with all the centers of each side. So each chair, I think it may take some around 15 pins. So you can see how this is getting cushioned. Doing this side is actually little tricky part. You have to stretch each and fold like this. See, and you can put a center pin for that. This needs to be little carefully you can do it. So just I will show it quickly. See this side, how it came. So similarly you can do all the other 3 sides. All the 4 corners I have pinned it. So this extra thing and all, if you want, you can actually cut it off like that. And this is how it looks finally. Let me just fix it to the chair right away. This is the underneath part. So generally, if you want to make it little more elegant, you can take another one piece of the same leather or resin, and you can just stick it before screwing. So this underneath part will not be visible, even if like if you want to do it further, you can enhance it. So this is the old chair, like which we wanted to renovate, and like this is the 2 chairs which I already did it. So you can see how new it looks. So isn't it a good deal? Like 1,500 for each chair, and I ended up spending only 100 rupees per chair. So in 600, 6 chairs are refurbished.